Hello, my name is Jon Robertson and I'm the Managing Director at Saab Seaeye. Seaeye have been the world leader in the development and delivery of smart electric underwater robots for over 35 years. Our vehicles and technology empower our customers to perform tasks safely and responsibly in some of the harshest and most challenging environments on the planet. I'm extremely proud to introduce the latest addition to the Seaeye product family, eWROV. Building on our strong heritage, listening to our customers, and the culmination of 4 years research and development, this vehicle is a new breed of underwater robot. Advanced software allows the vehicle to be controlled from anywhere, and not just by human operators, but also by other machines. Advanced control solutions and enhanced reliability reduces the requirements for humans to be offshore in support of eWROV operations. This substantially improves health and safety and significantly reduces operating costs. By leveraging the latest advances in power electronics, we've been able to create a vehicle that delivers the same work capability as a traditional 250 horsepower hydraulic ROV, but that requires only 60% of the energy, significantly reducing fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. I'm also extremely pleased and excited to announce that Ocean Infinity will be our launch customer, with the eWROVs being installed on their fleet of autonomous robot ships. As we look to the future, the demand for subsea services is growing. Safe, environmentally friendly and cost-effective solutions are needed. The Saab Seaeye portfolio, now including eWROV, supports these needs, and we can see significant growth ahead, which is why we're expanding our facilities and recruiting to further develop our team. These are really exciting times. Thank you for listening.